this is the aspect of the heavens viewed from latitude 40 north, about 0400 on a January night. Turning toward the north point of the horizon and looking up toward the zenith, you would find the north celestial pole here. These stars near the pole, called circumpolar stars, never set in this latitude, as they move around the pole in these diurnal circles. In middle north latitudes, the group of stars most easily identified is that group called the Great Dipper. It is composed of these stars. In the bowl of the Dipper we have Dubhe, Merak, Thecla, Migres, and in the handle, Alioth, Mizar, Alcade, sometimes called Manetnash. If we take a line through Merak and Dubhe and extend it, we come to Polaris, or the North Star. Notice how near this star is to the north celestial pole, which we mark with a cross. It is because of this nearness that we can find latitude by Polaris, as the altitude of the elevated pole is equal to the latitude of the observer. Continuing this line through Polaris, we come to a star group called Cassiopeia, which resembles a W or M, depending on whether it is low on the horizon or high in the sky. Kaf is at this end, while Rukba is located here. Notice the relative positions of the Big Dipper and Cassiopeia. They are equidistant from the pole and lie directly opposite each other. In middle northern latitudes, both of these constellations are always above the horizon. A line through Migres to Alioth leads to a distinctive group just east of Arcturus called the Northern Crown. The bright star third from the end, nearest to Arcturus, is Alphecca. Now let us return to the Big Dipper and follow a curving line through the handle of the Dipper and extend it until we reach Arcturus. And still further along this line, we come to Spica. Near Spica is a group of stars in this arrangement, often called the Cutter's Mainsail because of the shape. If we take Arcturus and Spica as two corners of an equilateral triangle, then the third corner is Denebola. A line through Arcturus and Denebola will lead to Regulus. Regulus may also be identified by extending the line through the pointers of the Big Dipper in the direction opposite to Polaris. Note that the nebula is located at the middle of a curved line connecting Arcturus and Regulus. Note the triangle formed by Arcturus, Spica, and Antares. From Spica through Regulus, we come to the heavenly twins, Pollux and then Castor. Orion, a most prominent constellation, rises above the eastern horizon. It can be identified by three small stars close together and in a straight line. About these stars, called the belt of Orion, observe the rectangle formed by three bright stars and one smaller star. The first star, to northeast, is Betelgeuse. Then to the west of it is Bellatrix, and south of Bellatrix is Rigel. The small star is unnamed. The center star in the belt is Alnilam. Now take a line through the belt to the southeast, and we arrive at a very bright star called Sirius. This is the brightest star in the sky. If a curved line is run to the north from Sirius, we come to Procyon. And if the line is continued, we come again to Castor and Pollux. Still continuing the curve, we arrive at Capella. If we go back to Sirius and pass a line from there to Bellatrix and extend it, we come to Aldebaran. This, with four other stars, forms a V. A line through Betelgeuse and